Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, a channel that will empower you to create awesome content just with your phone. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get regular updates. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a new feature that's been enabled worldwide by TikTok, which is called Stitch. Now, if you've used the Do It feature in past on TikTok, you could use other people's video and you can do a side-by-side video. However, the way Stitch works is you actually trim a 5-second portion from another content creator and then you add your own video at the end of it to kind of explore more opportunities and make exciting videos. So you will literally pick up any viral video and you can then select 5 seconds of those video and then you can add your own bit to create a completely new experience on that video. So without further delay, let me show you how to do it. Hey guys, now I'm going to show you how to use the Stitch feature. So for this example, I've chosen one of the magic videos. So let's just pick one of them. Now once you click on that, you click on the share button. And if you see now, instead of having the regular options, now you have few more options like Stitch and React. So if you click on Stitch, it will now allow you to take 5 seconds, any 5-second clip from this particular video. And then you record your own video to add to the end of that video so that it creates a clip, a combination of the 5-second that you have trimmed from someone's popular video. Let's say you select the best part of this video. And then what I'm going to do is after selecting the 5, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to record a couple of seconds of my reaction that it wasn't actually a magic. Just progress as real. And now you'll see there's 5 seconds of the original clip and then my reaction in the end. So that's quite easy. And then you just do the regular stuff. You click on next. You see that it's already defaulted that it's a Stitch video with that particular content creator. Then what you do is you just add your usual captions, hashtags, and that's how you publish a Stitch video. This is going to be a very popular feature because it gives you a chance to pick up 5 seconds from most creative content creators on the platform. By the way, once again guys, if you got any value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out any future upcoming videos. Once again, thanks for tuning into my channel and I'll see you in the next one.